I'm going to show you how to do this effect. Make sure you save this one. In CapCut, upload a video of you in outfit number 1, standing still and then falling over. Then upload a video of you in your second outfit doing the same thing. Next, you should have a video of you in your final look. Now scroll over to clip 2 and click on overlay. Drag clip 2 under clip 1 and size them up so that they are the same length. Click on clip 2 and then scroll over to mask. After clicking on mask, click on horizontal and click on invert. After that, take that yellow horizontal line and turn it vertical and move it over so that your body is never overlapping the line. Drag that circle with the arrow a tiny bit just to blur any harsh lines. I changed clip 1 and 2 to a faster speed. Now the foundation of this edit is done. All we have to do at this point is add some fun effects. Save this video, start a new project, and just upload it again to CapCut. Click on effects and video effects. I found a shaking effect that I like. I went back to video effects and I found a flashing effect that I like. Then I'm going to effects one more time and I'm clicking on body effects. Have fun with this. I chose electric burn. Align your effects exactly where you want them. Clicking on adjust, you can even change things like the color of the effect. I chose blue to match the outfit. And there you have it. Make sure you save this video and follow for more. I'm going to show you how to do this effect. In CapCut, start with a video of your background without you in it. The next video is of you jumping and you're going to cut that at the end as soon as you hit the floor. Next, you're going to slide on over to overlay, click on overlay and move that clip to the beginning of the video. Next, click on remove background, auto removal and check. Click on speed and slow it down. I chose to set mine to 0.6. Add a keyframe to the end of the video, move back to the beginning, make yourself smaller if you choose to, and move yourself up to the sky. The second keyframe appears on its own. And there you have it, more edit tutorials on the way. Save this video and follow for more. I'm going to show you how to do this effect. Make sure you save this one. In CapCut, add text to your video. Pick a font that you like, then click on animations and loop. Click on the donut effect. Then move this where you would like it to be and make it the right size that you would like. Make the clip of the words the same size as the clip of yourself. So far, it'll look like this. Save this video to your phone and then go back to that same project. Remove the text. Now add the video you just saved to the front of this project. Now you have a video with the words and a video without the words. Focus on video number 2 without the words, click on overlay and drag it under the first video with the words. Then click on remove background and auto removal. Now your video should look like this and you'll have one more step. Click on mask and then horizontal. And you're done. Make sure you save this video and follow for more. Here's how to make the clothes pop onto your body. In CapCut, I made a video of me looking around at where the clothes will be landing, and I also recorded a video of me in each outfit. Now let's start with the first clothing item. Go to Canva and upload a picture that you've taken of that clothing item. Click on effects and background remover. Save the picture by clicking on download and checking off transparent background. Now that you have saved the picture, go back to CapCut, click on overlay, add overlay, and add the first picture. Then I made the picture a smaller size. Next, I made sure that the length of this picture is the same length of the video of me looking around. Move the picture of the item out of the frame and click on keyframe. Move the item into frame and another keyframe will appear. Make sure you leave a little bit of room at the end for one more keyframe. Move over to the very last end of the clip, add the keyframe, and just move the bathing suit or clothing item onto the body. And you're all done. So the name of the game truly is just playing around with keyframes. Save this video so that you can come back to it and follow for more. I'm going to show you how to do this clothes popping out the bag effect. In CapCut, open up a video of you opening up your bag and looking up. Then upload pictures of your items to Canva. Then save the picture by downloading it and checking off transparent background. Once those pictures are saved to your phone, go back to CapCut, click on overlay, and add those pictures. Next, I resized the picture, making it smaller, and I placed it where I want it to end up after it pops out of the bag. Repeat these steps for all of the items. Next, scroll over to when you're looking up. Then add a keyframe because this is where you want the item to end up after it comes out of the bag. Then scroll over to the beginning of the clip and add another keyframe and move the item as small as possible to like a little dot and put it as if it's inside the bag. Do this for all of the items and you're all set. Make sure you save this video and follow for more.